Hello. Today we're going to talk about how long can you store wine before you drink it. Most people in North America go to the store and they'll buy wines and drink them within a couple of days or weeks of buying them. European culture is a little different. Europeans often buy wines to store them for years before they drink them. Although sometimes here people might buy a wine and keep it for 10 or 20 years and say they'll open it up for a special occasion to be disappointed that it tastes like vinegar or it tastes flat. So how long can you keep a wine? Well, in general, white wines, normal white wine that you'll buy today, you should drink it within 1 or 2 years. If you keep it longer than that, it might start to go flat. Red wines that you buy today, you should drink within about 5 years' time. They also might start to lose some of their qualities. So what about France? They talk about Bordeaux, storing wines for decades. Well, those are special wines that are made with lots of thick-skinned grapes that produce tannin. So the first thing about preserving wine is tannin. That's why red wines in general are kept longer than white wines. The grape skins produce tannin, which is a preservative, which helps keep the wine longer, and the oak barrels also give more tannin to the wine, so those thick-skinned red grapes that have been aged in oak will have the properties to be able to keep them a lot longer in the bottle before drinking. So those you can probably drink after 10 or 15 years. The other aspect is acid. A very acidic wine, acid is also preservative that will help the wine last a little bit longer. So going back to whites, you have some Rieslings that are very acidic. When you first open the bottle after bottled, it might be too acidic to drink. But those after 5 or 10 years might taste a lot better. But that's not all the wines. The third aspect is sugar or sweetness. Dessert wines, ice wine, or fortified wines like a sherry or a port. Sweetness as well in the wine helps preserve the wine for a longer time. So sweet wines can be left a lot longer, as well as high acid wines, high tannic wines. But in general, most wines you'll buy today, drink your whites within 1 or 2 years, drink your reds within about 5 years, and you should have good quality wine. Cheers.